Goodness, I'm out here today and it's extremely windy. It's Tuesday. Oh, hope y'all having an awesome day. I think the camera's right there. I hope anyways. Always looking at the wrong spot. I want to make sure I'm talking to y'all and not to whoever's over here. Well. So anyways, yeah, I'm just kind of here hanging out. My hurricane shed back there. Yeah.